Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to day 259 of trying a new makeup product every day. Today I'm trying out another new LA Colors makeup product that I found at the Dollar Tree. So this was $1 for two good sized lip liners. I have this in the shade Wink, and this is the Double Take two-piece lip pencil, and I actually tried out another Double Take product from LA Colors, and that was the eyeshadows. So if you want to see those, I'll link those down below. But these two packs of products I'm really enjoying because it's such great value. So these claim to be perfect for lining and filling, and they can be used together or separately. These actually kind of remind me of the LA Colors double-ended lip pencils that I love, and you can create such beautiful, intricate, fun lip looks with those. So I'm hoping to be able to do the same thing with these. So I'm going to start out by just swatching both of them. It looks like there's more of a pinky shade and more of a brown shade. That's actually very bright. Brighter than I was expecting. That pinky shade is actually very bright, like a magenta. Here are the two colors. They both look like they have really good pigment, and they're both very beautiful shades, but I don't really picture them going very well together. So I guess just for the sake of this review, I'm going to start out by lining my lips in more of the brown shade, and then I'll kind of fill them in with the other shade. But I think typically I would just like to wear these alone and completely filled in because they are really pretty colors and they seem like they have really nice matte finishes. Let's see if they smudge. Oh, yep, there is some smudging and fading, so I'm gonna have to do a kiss test and really test that transfer. Wow, so now that I've actually applied this brown shade to my lips, it doesn't really look brown anymore. It more just looks like a nude and more like a mauve-y toned nude. This is actually really pretty, and I would love the look of this completely filled in as like a easy to wear nude shade. And I feel like this applies totally fine, but I can kind of tell that it's a more inexpensive product because it doesn't glide on very smooth and pigmented. I have to go over it a few times to actually build up that pigment, but that's totally fine. I'm still able to achieve a very nice finished look. And now I'm going to go in and fill my lips in with this kind of magenta shade. Okay, wow, when I thought that these colors wouldn't go together, I was wrong. Now that they're actually on my lips, they look so nice together. They have like a really pretty ombre effect, and they layer really nicely too. Both colors I really like. I could see myself wearing that more nude mauve shade during the day, then adding the magenta shade to make it more of a nighttime look. But both colors would be beautiful on their own for really any time of day, and they actually feel really comfortable on my lips. My lips are so dry, but even though this is a pencil, it doesn't feel drying, and it doesn't look drying either. It really didn't gather in the dry patches of my lips at all. And for a matte pencil, that's pretty impressive. Now let's go ahead and do a transfer test. Nice, so barely any transfer at all. So it's very intact to my lips. I think that for $1, basically 50 cents a product, this is great quality, a beautiful finish, a really nice application. I actually have no complaints about this. I'm so happy with how it looks, and I kind of want to go back to the Dollar Tree and pick this up in all of the other colors that they have because it's such a good deal and a good formula that I know I'm going to get good use out of. So if you're looking for anything like that, if you want just an inexpensive lip liner for under other lipsticks or to wear alone, I think that this is a great option and I highly recommend it. So let me know in the comments down below if you're going to try these, if you've tried them yet, what your thoughts are. I'm very curious to get your opinion. Thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day, and I will see you tomorrow in my next video.